There are trillions of microorganisms living inside our bodies. The totality of these microorganisms is called the microbiome. Recent scientific studies have revealed that these tiny organisms have a huge impact on our health. The microbiome is not just something that coexists with our bodies, but it is also a key element of our health. In this article, we will learn about the amazing world of the microbiome, how it affects our health, and how we can keep this small universe healthy. What is the microbiome? The microbiome refers to the totality of the genes of all the microorganisms living in our bodies. This includes bacteria, viruses, and fungi. In particular, the gut microbiome is receiving the most attention because most of the microorganisms in our bodies live in our gut. Surprisingly, there are 10 times more microorganisms than cells in our bodies. Also, the number of genes in our microbiome is 150 times more than the number of genes in our genes. This shows how complex and important the microbiome is. The relationship between the microbiome and health. The microbiome affects almost every aspect of our health. Let's take a look at the main areas of influence. 1. Digestion and nutrient absorption. The microbiome breaks down food we can't digest and produces vitamins, especially vitamin K and some B vitamins, which are produced by gut bacteria. 2. Immune system. More than 80% of our immune cells are in our gut. The microbiome interacts closely with these immune cells and plays a key role in the development and function of our immune system. 3. Brain function and mental health. The gut and brain are directly connected through the vagus nerve, which is called the gut-brain axis. Through this axis, the microbiome influences our mood, behavior, and cognitive function. 4. Metabolism and weight. Certain microbiome compositions have been linked to obesity and type 2 diabetes. The microbiome plays a key role in our body's energy metabolism. 5. Cardiovascular health. The microbiome influences cholesterol metabolism and blood pressure regulation. A healthy microbiome can reduce the risk of heart disease. 6. Skin health. The skin also has its own microbiome, which is related to various skin diseases such as acne and atopic dermatitis. 7. Cancer. A specific microbiome composition is associated with the risk of developing several types of cancer, including colon cancer. On the other hand, a healthy microbiome can have anti-cancer effects. How to keep your microbiome healthy? Our lifestyle and environment have a great impact on our microbiome. Here are some ways to maintain a healthy microbiome. 1. Eat a variety of plant foods. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, etc. that are rich in dietary fiber. These act as prebiotics and provide food for beneficial bacteria. 2. Eat fermented foods. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and kombucha provide probiotics. They help increase the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut. 3. Be careful with antibiotic use. Avoid using antibiotics unless necessary. Antibiotics can kill not only harmful bacteria but also beneficial bacteria. 4. Stress management. Chronic stress can upset the balance of your microbiome. Manage stress with meditation, yoga, and sufficient sleep. 5. Regular exercise. Moderate exercise increases the diversity of your microbiome and increases the proportion of beneficial bacteria. 6. Contact with nature. Contact with soil, plants, and animals diversifies our microbiome. Connect with nature as often as possible. 7. Avoid unnecessary use of disinfectants. Excessive cleanliness can be harmful. Avoid using antibacterial products when regular soap is sufficient. The future of microbiome research. Microbiome research is opening up new horizons in medicine. Here are some developments that we can expect in the future. 1. Personalized probiotics. It will be possible to develop personalized probiotics based on an individual's microbiome profile. 2. Microbiome transplantation. Therapies that transplant the microbiome of a healthy person to a patient to treat a specific disease will further develop. 3. Microbiome-based disease diagnosis. Microbiome analysis can enable early diagnosis of various diseases. 4. New drug development. New drugs targeting the microbiome will be developed. 5. Nutritional revolution. Customized nutritional prescriptions based on an individual's microbiome will become possible. Things to watch out for. As interest in the microbiome grows, many exaggerated claims and unproven products are emerging. The following should be kept in mind. 1. Check scientific evidence. When choosing microbiome-related products or treatments, always check the scientific evidence. 2. Recognize individual differences. Microbiomes vary greatly from person to person. There is no single solution that is equally effective for everyone. 3. A balanced approach. The microbiome is important, but it is not the only determinant of health. It is important to maintain balance with your overall lifestyle. 4. Long-term perspective. Changes in the microbiome take time. Rather than expecting dramatic changes in the short term, continuous and consistent efforts are required. Conclusion. The microbiome is a tiny universe inside our bodies. These tiny organisms have a huge impact on our health and well-being. Everything we eat, our lifestyle, our environment, etc., all affect the balance of this tiny universe. Microbiome research is still in its infancy, but it is already revolutionizing the way we manage our health. We no longer simply see ourselves as humans, but as an ecosystem coexisting with trillions of microbes. A healthy microbiome requires improvements to our overall lifestyle habits, including eating a variety of plant-based foods, managing stress, exercising regularly, and connecting with nature. This is not just for gut health, but for the health and well-being of our entire body. As microbiome research advances, we will be able to take a more sophisticated and personalized approach to disease prevention, treatment, and overall health promotion. However, we must also recognize the complexity and individual differences in this field, and take a balanced approach based on scientific evidence. By keeping this tiny universe inside our bodies healthy, we can live healthier and happier lives. The microbiome gives us a new perspective on our health, and at the same time, reminds us of how closely we are connected to nature. Everyone, we have learned about the microbiome and its impact on our health. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you would like to receive more health and science-related information, please click the subscribe button right now. And if you found this video helpful, please click the like button. If you would like to be the first to see the new video when it is uploaded, please turn on the notification. I support your healthy and happy life. See you in the next video.